Today, I'll show you how to record yourself in PowerPoint. Whether you're prepping for a presentation, creating a lecture, or just want to add a personal touch to your slides, recording yourself in PowerPoint is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate video and audio into your presentations. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open the Record tab. This tab is your gateway to all the recording features PowerPoint offers. Now, you might be wondering, where exactly can I find this tab? Simply navigate to the top of your PowerPoint interface and look for the tab labeled Record. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It might be hidden under another menu depending on your version of PowerPoint, so be sure to check under Insert or any other relevant tabs. Once you have the Record tab open, it's time to enter recording mode. You have two options here. You can start recording from the beginning of your presentation or from the current slide you're on. To do this, click either the From Beginning or From Current Slide button within the Record tab. This action will launch the full-screen recording studio. Imagine this as your very own recording stage where all the magic happens. Before you hit record, it's crucial to set up your inputs. Let's start with the camera. At the top of the recording studio, you'll notice a camera icon. Clicking this icon will allow you to turn your webcam on or off. If you want to include a video of yourself alongside the slides, make sure your webcam is on. Otherwise, you can leave it off if you're only looking to record audio. Next, let's configure your microphone settings. Just like the camera icon, there's a microphone icon at the top. Click it to select your input device. It's important to ensure your microphone is correctly set up so your voice is clear and audible in the recording. If you have multiple devices connected, make sure to choose the one that best captures your voice. With your camera and microphone set up, you're ready to start recording. To begin, simply click the large red Record button. You'll notice a short countdown, giving you a moment to prepare before the recording officially starts. This is your cue to take a deep breath and get ready to present your material. Once you've finished your presentation, you'll want to stop the recording. To do this, click the Stop button. At this point, it's a good idea to review what you've recorded to ensure everything looks and sounds as you intended. If you're satisfied with the result, it's time to move on to the final step. The last step is exporting your recording. In the top right corner of the recording studio, you'll find the option to Export to Video. Clicking this will save your recording as an MP4 file. This format is versatile and widely compatible, making it easy to share your presentation with others or upload it to various platforms. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully recorded yourself in PowerPoint. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different setups and recordings until you're comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.